Messy table. Give us a second, and it becomes a fully smart demo kit. In this small demo, we can still showcase so many products. Grab these tools, and let's get started. Step 1. Install the Nature Switch and the Nature Mini Pro panel. Step 2. Connect the downlight and the dimming driver. Step 3. Assemble the curtain motor and the curtains. Step 4. Place the Motion Sensor Pro and the indoor camera. Here we go. We've got a demo kit that can dim the lights, control the curtains, detect motion, monitor in real time, and unlock in multiple ways. Now, it's your turn to set up your own smart home.